In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma styles and libraries. Before we dive in, here's the big idea. Styles and libraries help you keep your design consistent and fast to update. Libraries provide ready-made UI elements you can reuse, and styles store visual choices like effects, so you don't have to recreate them every time. Let's get started by opening the Figma website and then opening your design. With your project visible, look for the Assets panel. This is where you'll find UI kits, collections of pre-built components and patterns that can serve as your design's building blocks. Select UI kits in the Assets area and browse for a kit that fits your needs. Think about your project's tone and platform. If you're building something minimal, choose a clean kit. If it's more expressive, pick one with bold components. Once you've found a good match, click the kit and drag the component you want onto your design. This brings it right onto your canvas so you can start arranging it with your existing layout. You can adjust its size to fit your design. Use the handles to scale it up or down, and aim to keep proportions consistent so the component maintains its visual balance. If your layout has spacing or column rules, try to keep those in mind while resizing so everything feels cohesive. Now let's make your design more maintainable with styles. On the right side, click the plus icon in the Style section and choose Effects. This is where you'll set up reusable visual treatments like shadows and blurs. Give your style a clear, descriptive name, something that tells you what it does and where it's used. Good names make it easier to find and reuse styles later, especially as your project grows. From here, you can choose Drop Shadow or another effect that suits your component. A drop shadow is great for adding depth and making elements feel lifted from the background. Pick the option that matches your design system's look. When you're happy with the selection, click Create Style. You've just saved a reusable effect to your styles, which means you can apply the same visual treatment consistently across your design without rebuilding it each time. That's it. You opened your project, selected a UI kit from Assets, dragged components into place, resized them to fit, and created an effect style you can reuse. With libraries to speed up assembly and styles to lock in consistency, your workflow becomes faster and your interfaces look more unified.